Imagine this. You just spent a fortune on that gorgeous jute rug, thinking it would elevate your space. But slowly, something starts to change. The smell, the stains, the mystery dust that appears no matter how much you clean. Could it be harming your health? Or worse, quietly destroying your home from the inside? Today, I'm going to reveal what most people never tell you about cleaning a jute rug and how one wrong step can ruin it forever. And before we begin, if you enjoy practical, emotional storytelling like this, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such eye-opening videos that combine real-life problems with simple solutions. And click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free Top 10 Cleaning Products Guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. Let me take you back to the last monsoon. My friend Neha had just moved into her new apartment. She wanted a natural, cozy feel, so she bought a stunning, handcrafted jute rug for her living room. Earthy, elegant, and rustic. It looked perfect. But within weeks, things started to change. A strange, musty smell filled the room. Her white socks started turning slightly brown after walking over the rug. Her toddler, who loved crawling around, developed a constant cough. At first, Neha ignored it, thinking it was just the damp weather. But one day, while moving furniture, she flipped the rug over, and what she saw shocked her. Black mold patches, dense dust buildup, a dark stain she didn't even know existed. The beautiful rug had become a toxic trap. It wasn't just dirty, it was dangerous. You might think, but jute is natural and eco-friendly, right? Yes, it's biodegradable and chemical-free, but that's also what makes it vulnerable. Jute is a plant-based fiber, and like all natural fibers, it acts like a sponge. It absorbs moisture from your feet, from spills, from humidity in the air, and once it's in, it stays trapped. Unlike synthetic rugs, jute doesn't dry easily. That trapped moisture becomes a breeding ground for bacteria, dust mites, mold, and bad odors. And because jute is rough and fibrous, it hides the dirt deep within. You might think it looks clean, but underneath, it's quietly collecting everything. Step 1. The dust purge. Here's where your rug's transformation begins. Take your rug outside on a dry, sunny day. Flip it over and give it a good shake. Not a light one. Really shake it. Then, beat it with a broomstick or anything sturdy. You'll be amazed by the dust cloud that explodes from it. That dust isn't just sand. It's a mix of old skin cells, lint, hair, food crumbs, and who knows what else. And if you try to clean a jute rug without first removing that dry debris, you're just making mud. That's why dry dusting is always step 1. Never skip it. Step 2. The right way to vacuum. Once the loose dust is gone, bring out your vacuum cleaner. But here's the trick. Turn off the brush roll. That rotating brush that works wonders on carpet, it'll rip through your jute like a weed trimmer. Use suction only. Go slow. First with the weave, then against it. Vacuum every inch, top to bottom and side to side. This deep vacuuming is crucial. It pulls out embedded particles that shaking alone can't reach. Do this regularly, and your rug won't just look clean, it will feel fresh again. Step 3. Spot clean without soaking. Now comes the most common mistake people make. They try to wash the rug with water. But jute and water are mortal enemies. If you get it wet, the fibers swell, they shrink, they fray. Worst of all, they rot. So you must never drench it. Instead, make a gentle cleaning solution. Mix 1 part white vinegar with 3 parts water. Dampen a clean microfiber cloth, just damp, not wet, and gently blot the stained area. No scrubbing, just dabbing. This lifts light stains and neutralizes odor-causing bacteria. Always test a small hidden corner first to make sure the color doesn't fade or bleed. These simple habits will keep your rug and your home clean, healthy, and smelling fresh. If this video helped you uncover the hidden truth about jute rugs, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free Top 10 Cleaning Products Guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. I bring you real-world solutions, explained with emotional storytelling every single week. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I read every one. Until next time, clean smart, live healthy.